All right, last time. This is my third clip of just to do this one here. I keep screwing it up. So it looks great. Fits in there. I couldn't be happier with that. The cart's not sitting on that stand all that great, and we're on a tire and a propane bottle and nothing's straight, flat, and square. But other than that, I mean, everything looks really good, folks. It fits right in there real good. So we're happy with that. Any gaps that are in there, it's solid steel. We're going to be able to crank the heat up and weld that bad boy right in there. We got the nut bar deal all cut down here and drilled straight through. So this will be ready to go. That's the length we're gonna put in there. The inner tube might change, but that's where we're at with that. And then we added the rest of the DOM into each end of the chassis here. We'll plug weld these top and bottom where the old Margay system held a bumper in when we weld this back piece in. And then we'll use some 1 1/8" chromoly as sleeves, and the bumper, don't know if we're going to use this one or not. I'm just using this for an example. We'll connect to those tubes, right? And then it'll slide on and off of there. We can a couple different things we can do. We can leave it so it's the bumper is free to get on there, Robert. This is free to spin and rotate when the chassis flexes, and we'll put something in the end just to keep it from sliding off or something. We're not sure. There's a couple different ways we can hold the bumper on and still allow it. Not, this is our torsion bar. We don't want the bumper to do that. And I got, I think I already showed you these here, the pieces we made for the front and rear of to hold the motor mount up, and we'll weld all that stuff in, and gussets, front and rear. We'll get those going tomorrow too. So tomorrow, big day after church, in the morning welding. We'll be out tomorrow, noonish or so, noon, 12:30, and we'll get all the stuff welded together. And porch, I don't know. There really isn't any flat ground in here to make sure we've got the thing pitched up just a little bit, because remember when we did the ground clearance video, the front of the car was much lower than the back, probably 1/4 of an inch. So we can lift the front. We're gonna move those. As I mentioned, we're gonna move the one of the washers from the top to the bottom and give us some more ground clearance, and that'll help too. But we want to make sure this thing is either level or just, I would rather see it up just a hair, just because, just because. So that's what we'll be working on tomorrow. We're gonna cut this stuff off and metal finish, and then we'll be ready to get all the stubs welded on and all that stuff. And maybe we'll just give that thing back to Richard, let him take it back to work and finish cleaning it up, That's it. We cut and ground and did everything but weld today, but we've got a whole bunch of things ready to go. So end of the day tomorrow, it's going to look like we got a lot done in a couple of days. So it's coming together. Yeah, excited. We're getting there. Get to church tomorrow, folks. Love you. We're praying for you.